Genome is the default setting for all the things that we see in life. If you have capacity to understand objectively and for a reason, be able to manipulate the genome positively, then you will surpass a lot more, because through the genome or recombinant DNA technology, which is the technology that actually leads to genetic modification, you are able to transfer genes from species or sources that are beyond a single species. That is why it is unique, because then you can pick better genes from different sources and move them to where they are really needed. We throw in some spanners in the works, that even water that we believe is life. Do you know, if you take a lot of water, it leads to a condition that we are calling psychogenic polydipsia, which is intoxication with taking a lot of water. And that's the same water that we say that is life. So there is no good technology, any technology that doesn't have a potential risk. That is the same way we are saying, why are we treating GMO differently? Why is this GMO not allowed to be regulated just like any other technology? And if it is so, then why do we even have the universities training this unique area? Why do we have government actually commission for higher education? Why is it actually ratifying syllabi and of curricula that are not that are banned in the country? And that is where the hypocritical thinking or argument comes from. When you hear that they are talking about regulation, it behaves as if we are getting 1 billion different varieties or different things that are coming into the country at once. Do you know, even if we had 10 or 20 planes coming in or containers, sampling is a technique. You just go and do strategic sampling and pick samples and run them in the lab very quickly, and you will be done with the whole testing bit. And therefore, when they talk about capacity, I wonder what exactly they mean. Capacity of running a GMO sample is just a single 2 hours and you're done with testing. I find it very interesting that politicians who actually established a National Biosafety Authority through the Biosafety Act 2009 are the same ones talking as if the country doesn't have regulatory capacity. So they should start, and this is my advice for them, they should start by actually repealing, the Biosafety Act. It is their document. The untruths are because the anti-GMO lobby groups have made a deliberate, decision that they want to confuse this country. And I want to invite them to Kenyatta University to come to the lab, and then we show them this GM, so that these imaginations that they are, harboring can be defrayed. Because some of them think that these GM things actually, GMAs will be flying, while we never put the genes for the birds, the wings on them. Yeah, I'm very happy, by the way, at this point in time with the government, particularly when it started supporting actively research. I can confirm to you that from 2012 to now, we have received in our lab, that is at Kenyatta University, that does genetic engineering and accredited by the National Biosafety Authority, that we've received more than 3 to 4 grants from